a little demo here how to use the super simple tire glue tool. So I have my Raw Speed Slick here mounted to my DE wheel, tire bands on there, like so. You just take the tool, you put it on top, and you have to push down with a little bit of force, not so much that it actually pulls the bead completely separate from the wheel, but enough that you can actually show the bead. So okay, push it down and it exposes the bead, and you just, like so, glue all the way around it. Now let go, and that's it. You can go ahead and adjust your tire band if you want. Put it closer to the edge to seal it in there. That's it. You can go around in the end if you want. And just do another little go around here on the outside. And that's it. When this dries, you can flip it around and do the same thing on the other side.